942 Brass Ring. I don't think there's an HOA here, and the only interesting thing that I saw was a fully fenced in yard further up the street. But for the most part, it's pretty well taken care of. So you need to get rid of all this grass. So the question is, do we replace all of these dated light fixtures and doorknobs, or do we just do our normal, replace these blinds with 2.5-inch faux blinds, tile all of this, repaint, new counters, new appliances, and then maybe the old fixtures can stay? I don't know. We need the PM opinion on that. So we have 5 blinds in this kitchen. One blind in the garage, which can probably stay, just a guess. Rekey these, of course. There's 2 verticals in this house. The cabinets, I think, definitely need to be repainted. In this room, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blinds. See these in this little area? I see this and I see that. So it's about $150 or so to replace the light fixtures. I think it's worth it. And then you'd want to replace all these closet rings and everything else, maybe even the door stoppers. But it's a small house, so replace this with tile at about $5 a square foot. Again, it's not such a massive investment when you're thinking about the square footage of this property. That drain ring at the bottom is borderline. That's about $65 to replace. And one blind in here, definitely replace these 2, I think. And I would recommend getting a new counter and sink. It would be so much prettier, and it would be less dated and attract more tenants. Replace this flooring, $5 a square foot for tile. And this is only a 2-bedroom, so this is the other room at the front of the house, so it's a split floor plan. Of course, replace that blind. Again, complete repaint, put some tile down. This needs a blind because there's a window right there. These doors are stuck together, so. And that's that. Oh, the backyard. Yes, the backyard. So I would replace the verticals just because sometimes right at the end of the rehab you realize, ow, one slat is broken or something. Okay, probably replace the sliders on this door so it opens easier, the rollers. Probably remove the grass because the cheapest landscaping we have at the moment is $85 a month. It's a fairly private backyard. We do have a large palm tree that needs to have its leaves maintained and some rose bushes over here. Let's go look from the other door as well. Yeah, that's about it. So maybe add some pavers. Okay.